Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what's out there? High above our heads, beyond the clouds and the stars we can see, is a vast and incredible place called the solar system. It is our home in the universe, a gigantic family of celestial bodies all dancing around a magnificent star we call the sun. The sun's powerful gravity holds everything together, from the tiniest specks of dust to the most massive planets. Learning about our solar system is like being an explorer, discovering new worlds and unlocking the amazing secrets of the cosmos. Science makes this exploration possible, allowing us to see what our eyes alone cannot. The solar system is filled with amazing and diverse objects. There are 8 major planets, each with its own unique personality and story. Some are small and rocky, like our own Earth, while others are enormous balls of gas and ice, so large you could fit hundreds of Earths inside them. Beyond the planets, there are moons, asteroids, comets, and dwarf planets, all traveling on their own paths through space. It's a busy and dynamic neighborhood full of incredible phenomena like swirling storms bigger than our entire planet and volcanoes that spew ice instead of lava. Exploring these places helps us understand where we come from and what our place is in this grand cosmic ballet. This journey through our solar system is an adventure for the mind. We will travel from the scorching hot surface of the planet closest to the sun to the freezing dark regions at the very edge of our planetary family. Each stop will reveal something new and exciting, a piece of the puzzle that makes up our cosmic backyard. Think about it. Every planet is a world of its own, with different weather, different landscapes, and different mysteries waiting to be solved. By studying them, we learn not only about them, but also about the fundamental rules of physics and chemistry that govern everything in the universe, including life here on Earth. So get ready to blast off on an imaginary spaceship. We are about to embark on a tour of the 8 incredible planets that share our solar system. We will meet each one, learn its name, and discover a few of its most fascinating features. You don't need a helmet or a rocket for this trip, just your curiosity and imagination. The universe is a spectacular place, and by understanding the planets that orbit our sun, we take our first big step into a larger world of scientific discovery. Let's go explore the wonders that are waiting for us right next door, cosmically speaking. Our first stop is the inner solar system, where we find the 4 rocky or terrestrial planets. Closest to the sun is tiny Mercury. It is the smallest planet in our solar system, not much bigger than Earth's moon. Mercury zips around the sun faster than any other planet, completing its year in just 88 Earth days. But because it has almost no atmosphere to trap heat, its temperatures are extreme. During its long day, the surface can get hot enough to melt lead, reaching 430 degrees Celsius. At night, without a blanket of air, it plunges to a freezing minus 180 degrees Celsius. It's a world of incredible highs and lows. Next, we journey to Venus, the second planet from the sun. Venus is often called Earth's twin because it is similar in size, but it is not a very friendly twin. It is the hottest planet in our solar system, even hotter than Mercury. Its thick, toxic atmosphere is made mostly of carbon dioxide, which creates a runaway greenhouse effect, trapping heat and raising the surface temperature to a blistering 465 degrees Celsius. The pressure on Venus is also crushing, over 90 times that of Earth. A fascinating fact about Venus is that its day is longer than its year. It takes 243 Earth days to spin once on its axis. Our third stop is a very special and familiar place, Earth. It is the only planet we know of that has liquid water on its surface and an atmosphere rich in oxygen, the perfect combination to support life. From space, our home is a beautiful blue marble swirled with white clouds, green land, and vast oceans. Earth orbits the sun at just the right distance, in a region called the Goldilocks zone, where it is not too hot and not too cold for water to remain liquid. This unique position allows for the incredible diversity of plants, animals, and people who call this planet home. It's the oasis of our solar system. Our final destination in the inner solar system is Mars, the 4th planet, famously known as the Red Planet. Its distinctive rusty color comes from iron oxide, or rust, in its soil. Mars is a cold, dusty world with a very thin atmosphere. While it's much smaller than Earth, it has some incredible features, including the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, which is 3 times taller than Mount Everest. Scientists are very interested in Mars because evidence suggests it may have once had liquid water and a thicker atmosphere, making it a prime target in the search for past life beyond Earth. Leaving the rocky inner planets behind, we travel past the asteroid belt to the realm of the gas giants. Our first encounter is with the king of the planets, Jupiter. This 5th planet is absolutely enormous. It is so big that all the other planets in the solar system could fit inside it. Jupiter doesn't have a solid surface like Earth. It is a massive ball of hydrogen and helium gas. One of its most famous features is the Great Red Spot, a gigantic swirling storm that has been raging for hundreds of years and is larger than our entire planet. Jupiter also has the shortest day, spinning on its axis in just under 10 hours. Our journey continues to the 6th planet, the spectacular Saturn. While it is another gas giant, Saturn is most famous for its stunning and complex system of rings. These rings are not solid. They are made of billions of small chunks of ice and rock, ranging in size from tiny dust grains to pieces as large as a house. Though other giants have rings, Saturn's are by far the most brilliant and visible. Saturn is also the least dense planet in our solar system. In fact, it is so light for its size that if you could find a bathtub big enough, Saturn would actually float in the water. Next, we venture further out to meet the 7th planet, Uranus. This distant world is an ice giant, composed of a hot, dense fluid of icy materials like water, methane, and ammonia over a rocky core. Uranus has a very unique feature. It is tilted on its side. While other planets spin like tops as they orbit the Sun, Uranus rolls along like a ball, with its equator pointed almost directly at the Sun. This extreme tilt gives it very bizarre seasons, where one pole faces the Sun for 42 years, followed by 42 years of darkness. The methane in its atmosphere gives it a beautiful pale blue-green color. Our final planetary stop is the 8th and farthest planet from the Sun, Neptune. Like its neighbor Uranus, Neptune is an ice giant, and its deep blue color also comes from methane in its atmosphere. Neptune is the windiest planet in our solar system, with powerful storms and supersonic winds that can reach speeds of over 2,000 kilometers per hour. When the Voyager 2 spacecraft flew by, it spotted a massive storm called the Great Dark Spot, similar to Jupiter's Great Red Spot. It takes Neptune a staggering 165 Earth years to complete just one orbit around the Sun, meaning a single year on Neptune is longer than a human lifetime. Our incredible tour of the 8 planets has shown us just how diverse and wondrous our solar system truly is. We have traveled from the sun-baked rocks of Mercury to the wind-swept icy clouds of distant Neptune. Each planet is a world unto itself, with its own set of rules, its own landscape, and its own special place in the cosmic dance around the Sun. We've seen a planet where a day is longer than a year, another with rings made of ice, and one with a storm bigger than our entire home. These discoveries remind us that the universe is full of surprises, and we have only just begun to scratch the surface. Imagine for a moment what it would be like to visit these places. What would you see standing on the dusty red plains of Mars, looking up at its 2 small moons? How would it feel to float among the magnificent rings of Saturn, or witness the swirling deep blue storms of Neptune from a nearby moon? These are the kinds of questions that drive scientists and explorers to learn more, to send robotic probes and powerful telescopes to peer deeper into the darkness of space. Every new picture and piece of data brings these distant worlds a little closer, turning them from points of light into real, tangible places. The exploration of our solar system is a journey that belongs to all of us. You don't have to be a professional astronomer to feel a sense of wonder when you look at a picture of Jupiter's swirling clouds, or learn about the possibility of a hidden ocean on one of its moons. The desire to explore and understand is a fundamental part of being human. Whether you are reading a book, watching a documentary, or simply gazing at the stars from your backyard, you are participating in this grand adventure. The curiosity you feel today could lead to the great discoveries of tomorrow. So let your imagination continue the journey. What else is waiting to be discovered out there? Are there more planets hiding in the darkness beyond Neptune? What secrets lie buried beneath the ice of distant moons? The solar system is our celestial neighborhood, but it is part of an even bigger galaxy, which is just one of billions in the universe. The adventure never has to end. Keep looking up, keep asking questions, and never stop exploring the endless, beautiful frontier of space. The cosmos is waiting for you.